Is it worth selling on Amazon FBA? I'm going to give you some tips, and I'm also going to tell you guys what nobody else is telling you. I had no idea. I need like a teleprompter. I wonder if this light's too bright. Oh shit, it was. So I have been seeing a lot of people do videos on TikTok, especially on TikTok and YouTube, talking about how they're making over $100,000s of dollars in sales on Amazon FBA. And they are selling a dream to all these people, and they don't tell them everything. You know what? They could be accurate on how much money they be making. It could be accurate. I don't know, but still, I haven't heard anyone tell you guys the truth about what Amazon really is doing behind the scenes. So before we start, what is an Amazon FBA? So Amazon has a fulfillment center where they pick, package, and ship items. It costs $39.99 each month plus a sales fee. It sounds good, especially if you don't have a website, you know, and everybody knows about Amazon. So it's kind of a good idea. If you guys do want to sign up, I'm gonna have a link in the description box so you guys can check it out. But if you have an Amazon account, you can just link it to that and just add it to sign up with that account, or you can create a whole new account. But don't sound good, guys. It actually sounds too good to be true. So this is the part where it's kind of, it was not even hidden, but it's not, people don't really talk about this part. So the first thing that people don't talk about is that you have to cover the shipping. So for instance, if you have to ship a box, a large box, you have to ship it yourself to the Amazon fulfillment center, and that can range you up to $18. Well, that's just an estimated price, $18, but that's not including the weight. No, that can go up in price. They don't tell you guys in the beginning that you have to cover all the shipping to the fulfillment center. I'm going to do another video where I'm going to teach you guys how to find the perfect items to sell on Amazon. So I'm working on that right now. So let's go to this tip number 2. Now that you shipped your box to Amazon, the fulfillment center, and it's not selling, you have to pay a storage fee for that, plus the shipping fee just to get it there. So all this is adding up, guys. So we talked about if your product is not selling. Let's talk about if it is selling. So if it is selling and it's very popular, of course other people are going to want to jump on the bandwagon and start selling it as well. But they're going to do it a little different. They're going to market a little cheaper than yours, and they also probably give you free shipping. Well, the customer free shipping. Basically, the other sellers might beat you in your sales. The final one is that Amazon might sell your item, the one that you've been selling and has been doing good and you almost sold out. Amazon might take over and start selling it themselves, and then now you're asked out. Yeah. I don't want to discourage anyone from not selling on Amazon. Amazon is amazing. I do love shopping on there, and I did have a product on there, but it's a long story. But anyway, so I do encourage you guys, if you guys are interested, it might be profitable for you, but just at least try it for 1 month. You know, you might sell out, you know what I mean? It depends on what type of product that is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.